Who doesn't love a creamy, cheesy pasta dish? This one is all cooked in one pan and it's ready in 25 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This creamy tomato pasta dish with chorizo is a real winner in my family, and it's all cooked in one pan to save on the washing up. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying off the chorizo. Add a teaspoon of olive oil to a large frying pan and heat over a medium heat. Then add 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of sliced chorizo, and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until lightly browned and crisp. Then remove from the pan with a slotted spoon and place on a plate for later. Now we want to add a small onion that's been peeled and finely diced to the pan, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook that, stirring often for about 5 minutes until the onion's softened. Next in goes a sliced red bell pepper and a sliced yellow bell pepper, along with 3 minced cloves of garlic. Stir that together and cook for another 2 minutes. So now we're going to add in the pasta. I've got 250 grams, which is a little under 9 ounces of rigatoni here, but you can use whatever pasta you like and just add that straight into the pan. Then we add 480 ml, which is about 2 cups of chicken or vegetable stock, along with a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of finely chopped tomatoes and a heaped tablespoon of tomato puree or paste. And stir it all together. Now we're going to push that pasta down so it's underneath the liquid, and then we'll bring it to a gentle simmer, place a lid on, or you can place some foil on and simmer it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and give everything a stir. Then we're going to add in 120 ml, which is about half a cup of double or heavy cream, along with 75 grams, which is about 2.5 packed cups of fresh baby spinach leaves. We're also going to add in 150 grams, which is a little over 5 ounces of torn mozzarella, and sprinkle over 75 grams, which is about 3/4 of a cup of grated parmesan cheese. Give everything a stir together and then arrange the cooked chorizo from earlier on top. Place the lid back on the pan and simmer for a further 2 to 3 minutes until the pasta's fully cooked and the chorizo is warm through. Remove the lid and then scatter about 10 cherry or grape tomatoes that have been sliced in half on top. I also like to sprinkle with a little black pepper, fresh parsley and some more parmesan cheese. And that's my one-pot creamy tomato and chorizo pasta, full of creamy, cheesy deliciousness. And don't forget, my new book, It's All About Dinner, is out now. See you next time.